In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an account on the Warrior Forum. So what you want to do is go to warriorforum.com. So that's warriorforum.com. And I just want to show you how to actually set up your account there. So go to warriorforum.com, and at the top left corner when you first arrive, you'll just click on register. And inside here, you'll want to read the forum rules and then choose I have read and agreed to abide by the terms here, and just select register. The next thing you want to do is put in a username. I would recommend, something like this, like a first and a last name type thing. That one's obviously taken. So, just put in a first space, and a last name. That way it kind of helps build credibility, especially if you're going to be, it's a great place where you want to get involved in the Warrior Forum. You want to build up your credibility. There's a lot of traffic there, and then of course you also eventually want to run potentially Warrior special offers as well. So it's important to have your name in there. So just choose a password here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a password to choose. Put in your email, and then we'll plug that in, and then choose your image, verification code, plug in that information, and then the final part of the process is to make your payment so you can actually become a member. It's just a one-time payment. The Warrior Forum started charging for memberships just to help kind of keep the users, I guess, a little bit better user type and those types of things. So that's one reason you would want to consider. You can read about the benefits of each option here to choose if you want to go with the $10 option or the $37 option. So that's just a one-time fee. After you click on that, it'll take you to PayPal or to a payment processor where you make your payment, and then your account is approved. So that's how you set up your account at the Warrior Forum. Once you're set up inside your account here, you would actually go in and you can plug in your information here to get going into the cPanel section. So I'm going to log in here to my account right now that I already have set up. And one thing you'll want to do when you first get in here is over here in the left corner, it'll say User CP, User Control Panel. You'll just want to select that and choose the first option, which is User Control Panel. So what you want to do here now is go in and choose Edit Your Details. And this is where you could edit your email and password. You can change your user title, so this would display right below your name. Like I would recommend, I would put like your domain name in there for your main website. That's not a bad idea. Date of birth, that's up to you. Homepage URL, make sure you do that because you can get quite a bit of traffic to your blog or squeeze page. Change your biography, so it fits you correctly. You can put in where you live now, what city and state you're in, your hobbies, your interests. Let people get to know you. Put in your Twitter name as well. It's a good way to get Twitter followers. You can put in your Facebook account, put in your YouTube account. So it's important to do that under, edit your details in the Your Control Panel. And that's an important first step in really, getting more benefit out of this system. So that people can actually, get to know you and understand who you are. So that's the first part of the process. Edit your details. You can also customize your profile as well to include different colors and borders if you want to go that far with it. Most of the time you can just leave it as is. And then the other things you'll just want to read through these different options. Another really important option is to edit your signature. And this is the signature that would actually display, this will actually display below every single thread that you make on the website. So what you would do is put in, if you have a picture, you can actually, I believe it costs to do this. I'm not sure what the cost is now, but if you want to include a picture, you could actually create, a picture and have it display below your different threads as well. So that way the picture shows up. But if you don't want to do that, all you have to do here is just type in. So type your offer here. Like I would link them to a squeeze page. So get free training today. And then all you have to do is highlight that, choose this hyperlink option, and then that would link them over to your squeeze page. And so make sure you do that as well. It's under user CP, and then go down and choose edit signature, and make sure it's a good valid offer. And that way, as you browse through the forum and you make posts, you obviously don't want to go on the forum, and just make crazy posts, but you want to go in there, actually be beneficial, respond to people's questions, ask your own questions, those types of things, and don't just leave simple yes or no answers. Make sure you really get going and get engaged in the forum. So, for example, if you come in here to this post here, profiting off of Tumblr, and you could read about this, you could come down here and choose post reply if you want to add something to this. So if you have a follow-up question, maybe you want to add some more information to it. Say, I love using Tumblr. This is how I use it in my business, ... And that's going to be up to you how you post that in there, but that gives you a rough idea as to how that works. So once you're done, you could choose preview post to see how it looks, or hit submit reply, and it would actually submit your reply to that thread. If you come in here to the main Internet Marketing Discussion Forum and choose New Thread, this is where you could actually create a new thread for a new topic. Maybe you have a question, maybe you have a statement of something that's working for you. So that's all found. If you go to warriorforum.com, you have the main Internet Marketing Discussion, and then they've got a lot of sub forums which are really beneficial. You've got the Warrior Special Offers forum, which is, of course, where you would post special offers, and there is, a cost to post those, just like other forum offer sites. Social media marketing. This is all about social media marketing, building e-commerce sites for drop shipping, offline marketing, marketing to local businesses, mobile marketing, ad networks, success mindset, those types of things, copywriting tips, SEO, product reviews, articles, and members contests and challenges. So so this is really a cool, just a great way to get engaged and involved. These member contests and challenges might be a way where you could actually offer money to get people to give you an idea on a certain topic as well. So that is also some different ideas. You could actually post challenges in there. So it's it's just a really good thread that you can actually good forum to get involved with. You can learn a lot. There's a lot of different content on joint ventures, and the War Room is also a really good place for private discussions and getting good information. So I would browse through these different threads, get involved, start posting in there. That's going to be important. Build up your post count so that when it does come time to do special offers, people can see that you're an active member, you're actually contributing to the membership, and it's a good way to go. So anytime you see a topic, like if I want to go in here to the wholesale and drop shipping thing, and let's say I want to post a new thread, just choose new thread, and that will automatically post it in that category. So try to post your thread in the most relevant category. And again, so warriorforum.com, choose register, set up your account, and then follow the steps once you're inside the Warrior Forum.